Good day, everybody. I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. And the Lord speaks to us out of Luke 7, verse 13. And this is where the lady's only son died, and Jesus came into the city. And that's when he did the resurrection of the son. But verse 13 said, "And when the Lord saw her, he had compassion on her. And he said to her, 'Do not weep.'" This is a time and a season where compassion needs to be part of our lives. And compassion, the seed of compassion, is fired by true love. When we start caring, when we're loving others, when we are seeing others as gifts, as treasures from heaven, as God's creation and God's blessing. And the compassion in the Bible, it says, is a deep, visceral emotion, often described as being moved in one's innermost beings. I know some of the descriptions say you are moved in your bowels. The Greek word is splagchnizomai, that goes beyond empathy to trigger action. It is an active, sacrificial love reflecting God's memory, which compels believers to relieve the suffering of others. People, isn't that how we should live? That we are really caring for others, and that we remove our self-centeredness, and that we truly desire, as God desires, to bring wholeness and to bring unity and to bring harmony wherever we go. And we have been given this ability, this power and the authority to bring union back, to do perfect healing. And it starts when we have compassion. And as I said in the beginning, love moves you into compassion. And this is where we need to do. We need to ask ourselves the question, are we truly walking in love? Are we truly walking in compassion? And compassion moves you and love moves you where you meet other people where they are. And that you realize that certain people are certain ways and in certain belief systems and in hurts in their lives because of their past, what they moved through, what happened to them. And that formed their perceptions and discernments and their lifestyles. And we should feel sorry for them when they're not in truth, when they're not in peace, when they're not in love, when they're not in union with the Godhead 3 and 1. So let's look at our own lives, because if we haven't got compassion, it means there's a problem with our love, and it actually shows there are things in ourselves that needs to be addressed, that needs to change, and that needs to be removed. Compassion is part of God's character. And what happened when he showed his compassion? Jesus resurrected. Compassion gives life. It brings resurrection. And as it says in the description, it relieves other people's pain. It brings back peace and joy and love. And through that, God gets honored. Because they said, and truly God visited his people. And that's part of our assignment, that people should say wherever we move, truly God has visited his people. I bless you.